No, this isn't the correct way to do a skirt board, but I was so nervous about it, I decided to do a template out of cardboard, and hopefully I can get it on the first try. I started by laying my raw template down on my skirt board and tracing it and using a hard straight edge to create a nice clean line to follow. I have it traced onto my lower skirt board, and now we just need to cut it and hope that it'll fit. I used my circular saw to cut out the skirt board because that's what I had. I'm not buying a new tool for this. However, I did clamp down my straight edge as I went to try to keep it as controlled as possible. I had a really hard time cutting out the inner corners with the circular saw, so I used a jigsaw to clean it up. And I mean, of course it didn't fit, because what fun would that be for something to go according to plan with this project? I'm mostly grateful that me and my husband didn't kill each other in the process, because I did have a mental breakdown and I sawed it in half because of course I did. Probably shouldn't have done that, might come back to bite me in the ass, but we're gonna find out. This is me pre-priming and painting the skirt board and the little piece of wood that I got for the extra baluster that I'm adding, because paint prep sucks. This part was tricky because we had to maneuver the two sides of the skirt board into place, and it was tight. It was not an easy task, but with a little bit of patience and some elbow grease, we managed to slide it in there, and then we just used the same strategy for the top. Just going slow and steady, and thank God it worked, because honestly, I would have freaked out if it hadn't. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for part 13 and follow along for more home DIY.